Getting subscribers on Mailchimp involves a strategic approach to attract and retain an audience. Here's how to do it. Create a sign-up form. Log into your Mailchimp account. Go to the Audience tab and click on Sign Up Forms. Select Form Builder to create a custom sign-up form. Embed the sign-up form on your website. Use the provided embed code to add the form to your website. Place it in prominent locations such as the homepage, blog post, or footer. Utilize pop-up forms. In Mailchimp, create a pop-up form that appears when visitors land on your website. Adjust the settings for timing and frequency to avoid annoyance. Offer incentives. Provide value to potential subscribers by offering incentives such as ebooks, discounts, exclusive content, or free trials in exchange for their email addresses. Promote on social media. Share your sign-up form link on social media platforms. Use compelling calls to action to encourage followers to subscribe. Leverage existing contacts. Import your existing contacts to Mailchimp and ask them to join your mailing list. Ensure you have permissions to email them. Use lead magnets. Create high-quality content such as webinars, tutorials, or resource guides that require users to subscribe to access. Networking and collaborations. Partner with other businesses or influencers to co-host events or promotions, expanding your reach and attracting new subscribers.